thinking of buying Apple's official iPhone clear case with MagSafe, don't. If you're going to use this case, you're actually better off using no case at all, because this protective case can damage your iPhone instead of saving it. When I first bought this case back in March 2024, I even made an unboxing video. It looks strong, clear, and premium. I actually liked how it slowly turned darker over time. From day one, my iPhone 15 Pro was never used without this case. But just a few months later, I started noticing something strange. Paint peeling off the sides, and scratches appearing on the frame. At first, I ignored it, but as time went on, the scratches only got worse, all while the phone was inside Apple's official clear case. After more than a year, just before my warranty expired, I decided to visit Apple support. I explained, "I've been using only this official case, yet my phone is scratched and the paint is coming off." The Apple staff member told me, "Scratches are not covered by warranty. This is caused by you." When I asked why, he explained, "Dust particles get trapped inside hard cases like this one. If you don't regularly remove and clean the case, those particles scratch your phone. And if you don't install or remove the case perfectly, the hard plastic edges can also leave marks." In short, the case itself, designed to protect, is the reason for the damage. And it doesn't stop there. Every small drop caused the case itself to crack. I asked if they could at least replace the case since it broke so easily, but no, Apple wouldn't replace that either. So here's my advice. If you're thinking of buying Apple's original iPhone clear case with MagSafe, don't waste your money. It looks nice at first, but it scratches your phone, it cracks easily, and Apple won't cover it under warranty. If you really want to protect your iPhone, this is the worst option. Either use no case at all, or choose a third-party case that's actually designed to protect your phone.